Well, so what's good? You can see the daily bias is bullish, right? The bias is bullish. So our bias being bullish, we are looking for buys in this case, right? Sorry, this is for H. Let me show you the daily. Daily is bullish. You get bullish, bullish. So then we know what to do is we just wait for our time. Okay, and then we having this candle comes opens up here. Okay, but before this candle opened up, or as this candle opened up, we had this level, right? We had a level, we had such a point one end. So one end, so we had suddenly a point right there. So us having that point, so that mind, that's our no seal level, we gap level. So market neja nekulachi tapped into it, then neja nekulachi, and then gave a reaction. So we want to see our reaction and what dating. You get this is the we're looking for a New York trade, right? So this kind of opens up, then we check. So and the other thing is that May classes are beginning soon, so whoever feels interested you would like to enroll in, just DM me. So right here, right at this point, if I take on my line chart, something like this. Something like this. You get, we have that market share goes out. After market doing that, you can see those wicks coming down, meaning there was a retracement. So let's go to the 3-minute time frame to love what really happened there. So in the 3-minute time frame, you can see I've marked out my breakout so well, so well right there. You get it. Let me name it. I can name it choke or MSS. Wait, what's happening? SS. Save. Anyways, let's show that. So that's my MSS. Right there. Or choke. You get it. So then I had this point one end. You can see these are things I teach every single day, every single now and then. Those are different concepts, but then these are things I teach still. So I'm having that level. And then the other thing I saw is that market here day toward day inducement. Market here day toward day inducement at this point. Toward the inducement at that point. Then if you're seeing this that well, added toward the inducement at that point, excuse me. Toward inducement. So maybe prolong just manjagala muchira bintu. Oh, this is not inducement, sorry. Our inducement is here. So this will be our shoulder point and shoulder point here. So there's no point sebbize najagala oyingirirako. So point 1 is my shoulder, but then I went in at this very point, at the liquidity point. Liquidity so meaning if I had put my entry below liquidity, now so why did I take the liquidity part of it? So when I went to the 15 minutes time frame, was it 15:30? Let me first check. I think it was the 30 minutes time frame. And I'm having this level right here. So I had that level right there. The level was below my left shoulder, right? But then if I'm to look so well, I have no level. So now level is so close to my inducement. You can see 25 minutes time frame. So now level is so close to my inducement. All levels I have are very far. You can see this one here, but the one was getting kind of close, but still it was far. You get, so it was below. So what I did was this something very simple, because I knew this instrument had to be taken out. But then mind, this instrument has to be taken out. But then if you are watching to your market neck disobeying, I don't lose hope or to government these things don't work, what, because every day is not a Sunday and there are losses. Before joining this thing, you must know that there are losses. So since I had no level below my instrument, I entered exactly on the instrument. You can see what market did. Came, wiped it out, then we had to rise, like go up crazily. You get? We had to move up so crazily. So this was the trade. Then you target up something like this, like that. Because there's some things. It's just a matter of practicing. SMC, MSNR, supply and demand, liquidity concepts whatsoever. They all do work. They all do work. So just practice. You give your time and practice. Take a